Want to know if the SAA Rebel Fitness app is right for you? This review covers everything you need. Links are in the description. SAA Rebel is designed for busy people seeking a blend of exercise, mindfulness, and healthy habits. It combines yoga-inspired workouts with high-intensity interval training and wellness tools. The intuitive interface personalizes your experience based on goals like weight loss, strength building, or flexibility. Workouts range from 5-minute boosts to 30-minute sessions. Clear video instructions and calm voiceovers make them easy to follow for all levels. Beyond fitness, SAA Rebel offers mindfulness exercises, guided meditations, and sleep aids. Daily challenges and lifestyle advice cover nutrition, hydration, and even productivity. While packed with features, most require a subscription. The cost is higher than some apps, but the combined workouts, mindfulness, and habit tracking offer value for many. SAA Rebel is ideal for those who enjoy yoga or want a balanced approach to physical and mental wellness. It's great for time-crunch users or at-home workouts. However, if you prefer gym-style training or specific fitness plans, it might not be the best fit. Overall, SAA Rebel delivers a polished, holistic fitness experience. Its value depends on your individual goals. Check the description for links to learn more and download.